Hey there! Today we got a little problem on our hands. So, imagine you're using cURL to download files and store them as Base64 variables. The issue is, you don't know how to check if the download was successful to save the file in a variable. It can be a real headache if you're not sure how to handle the situation, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for our little problem. The trick here is to use an if statement in our script. By adding if output equals $set o pipe fail cURL Base64, then we can effectively check for the success of the download. If everything goes smoothly, you can handle the success part of the script, and if there's a hiccup, you can gracefully handle the failure. Pretty neat, huh? To wrap it up, we've gone over how to tackle the issue of checking the success of a file download when using cURL and Base64 variables. By implementing the if statement provided, you'll be able to handle both successful downloads and any potential failures like a pro. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!